As we have given 5 global courses for the district. We have done many projects up to now, and we are planning to do more currently. We have planned 3 projects: childhood cancer, diabetes, International Women's Day. I am planning on International Women's Day District Ladies Project with Lions Club of Gold Fort. We have done zone chairman visit, region chairman visit. Last 4 months, I have reported WMMR, MyACI, multiple contest, district contest. We are planning to do charter on 18th March 2022. Finally, as we plan a lot of things for this year, we will work and achieve things together to serve others. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, President Lanjiva. Now I would like to invite Lion Roshan from Gold Premium to do his speech now. Lion Roshan?
Yeah. සුබ සන්ධ්‍යාවක් වේවා. ගාල් ප්‍රීමියම් සිංහ සමාජයේ සහ ගාලු කොටුව සිංහ සමාජයන්හි ඔක්තෝබර් මාසික රැස්වීම සහ පළවෙනි උපසිංහාධිපතිනිය සහ දෙවන උපසිංහාධිපතිතුමාගේ නිල පිවිසුමට සහභාගී වන උපසිංහාධිපති දෙපළ සහ Zoom තාක්ෂණය ඔස්සේ අපට සම්බන්ධ වන ප්‍රධාන මේසෙ සිටින සියලුම කැබිනට් සිංහයන් අනෙකුත් සිංහ සමාජවල සිංහ සභාපතිවරුන් සහ සියලුම සමාජික සිංහයන් අප සිංහ සමාජයේ සියලුම සිංහයන් සහ ආරාධිත අමුත්තන්ගේ අවසර මේ අපි සිංහ සමාජය සිංහ වර්ෂයේ අඩක් සම්පූර්ණ කර ඇති මොහොතක් ලෝකයේ සහ අප රට මුහුණ දී ඇති විවිධ දුෂ්කරතා මැද්දේ මම මගේ සිංහ සමාජිකයන් සමග සාර්ථකව සිංහ වසරේ හරි අඩක් නිමා කරා ඇති කියලා මට හොඳ විශ්වාසයක් තියෙනවා. කෙටියෙන් කියනවා නම් නොයෙකුත් ආකාරයේ ව්‍යාපෘති මේ වසර තුලම ක්‍රියාත්මක කරමින් ඒ වගේම සමාජිකයන් අතර එකමුතුභාවය පවත්වා ගැනීම සඳහා සංවේදනය හොඳ තත්ත්වයේ පවත්වා ගැනීමෙන් ඒ වගේම අපේ සිංහ සමාජයේ ක්‍රියාකාරකම් ගැන සිංහ දිස්ත්‍රික්කය සහ ජාත්‍යන්තරයේ දැනුවත් කිරීමට සහ Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp වැනි groups අලුතෙන් ක්‍රියේට් කළ ඒවා එළි දක්වමින් ඒවා පවත්වාගෙන යමින් සිංහ සභාපති ලෙස මම ඒ විදිහට මේ අපේ ගමන ගත කරගෙන යනවා. සිංහ ජාත්‍යන්තර ඉල්ලීමට ප්‍රතිචාර දක්වමින් ඒ කියන්නේ IP බර්ත්ඩේ එකට අපි අපේ ව්‍යාපෘති කළා. ඒ වගේම දිස්ත්‍රික් සිංහ කරපු ව්‍යාපෘති වලට සම්බන්ධ වෙමින් ඒවටත් සහභාගී වෙමින් ඒව සාර්ථකව ප්‍රතිචාර දැක්වුවා. මේ වන විට අද වෙනකොට ජාත්‍යන්තර සහ දිස්ත්‍රික් මට්ටමින් ගෙවිය යුතු සියලු ඩියුස් ගෙවලා අවසන් පළවෙනි කාර්තුව සඳහා රිපෝටිං ගැන කතා කරනවා. WMMR district contest reports ඒ වගේම අප්ඩේට් යවනවා. මේ වසරේ ඉදිරි අද වෙනකන් කියපු තත්ත්වයේ ඒක මේ වසරේ ඉදිරි කාලය තුල තවත් ව්‍යාපෘති කීපයක් ප්ලෑන් කරගෙන තියෙනවා. එතකොට සිංහ අනුෂා ව්‍යාපෘති සභාපති ලෙස කටයුතු කරන දිස්ත්‍රික් කාන්තා ව්‍යාපෘතිය ගාල කිතුලම්පිටිය පරිවාර සහ ළමා නිවාසයේ උත්කර්ෂවත් අන්දමින් කිරීමට නොවැම්බර් 13 වෙනිදා බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. ඔබතුමන්ලාට මේ වෙලාවෙම අපි ඉන්වයිට් කරනවා. ඒ වගේම ප්‍රාථමික සිසුන් සඳහා ශිෂ්‍යත්ව ප්‍රමාණයක් ලබා දීමටත් අපේ සිංහ සමාජික ලයන් ප්‍රසන්න මගින් ක්‍රියාත්මක වෙන්න තියෙනවා. දෙසැම්බර් මාසෙ මෙඩිකල් කැම්ප් එකත් ඉන්සී එක එකතු වෙලා ප්‍රශාන්ත එකතු වෙලා සාර්ථකව නිමක් කිරීමට බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. ඒ වගේම දැන්ට ongoing project එක හියාරේ water project එක ඒ වගේ projects සමාජගත කරමින් administration උයි සියලු පැති කවර් කරමින් අපේ සිංහ ගමන සාර්ථකව ගමන් කරනවා කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. වෙන වෙනම විස්තර කරන්න කාලය නැති වුණත් මෙම ඉදිරි ව්‍යාපෘතිද කලාපීය සහ ප්‍රාදේශීය සභාපතිතුමාගේ සහයෝගය අද වගේම හෙටත් ලබාගෙන මින් ඒ වගේම ප්‍රදේශයේ ඉන්න ජ්‍යෙෂ්ඨ සිංහයන් සිංහ රවි සිංහ දුලා ඒ වගේ සිංහ උපාලි ඒ වගේ සියලුම සිංහයන්ගෙන් උදව් උපකාර ඇතුව ඉදිරියට තෘප්තිමත්ව මේ ව්‍යාප්ති කරගෙන යාමටත් සිංහ වර්ෂයේ අණ්ඩායමක් ලෙස තෘප්තිමත්ව ඉස්සරහට යාමටත් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. ඒ වගේම විශේෂයෙන් කියන්න ඕන මේ වසරේ උපසිංහාධිපතිවරුන් පළවෙනි උපසිංහාධිපති ශානා කීර්ති ඒ දෙන්නගෙන්ම අපිට ලැබෙන්නේ ඇත්තටම ඉතා සමීප වූ සොයා බැලීමක්. මොන හරි දෙයක් කතා කරයින් පස්සේ ඒකට තියෙන ප්‍රතිචාර ඉක්මනින් අපට ලැබෙනවා. ඒකට ස්තුතිවන්ත වීමටත් මේ වෙලාව මම යොදා ගන්නවා. ඔබ දෙපළටත් ඉතා ස්තුතියි. ඔබ සියලු දෙනාට උද්‍යෝගිමත් සිංහ වර්ෂයක් ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරමින් සුබ පතමින් මගේ කතාව අවසන් කරනවා. ස්තුතියි.
Thank you, President Lan Roshan and President Lanjiva for your speech. Now we have the installation of the new 2 members. So I would like to invite first Vice Governor Lan Shana and the new members. Could you please introduce yourself as well?
Good evening, everyone. I'm still getting used to the status and positions, so sorry. But it's nice to meet you all. My name is Ametma Buldenia. 20 and I will be newly joining you all in this new adventure that I'm going to sign up for. Right now I'm in France as an undergraduate student, and even though I'm miles away, it's still a pleasure to be able to join you and everyone in this Lions movement, and hopefully I'm looking forward to working with you all and give my fullest support. Thank you.
We have 2 new members.
Hi everyone, I'm Mashan Kalupahana. So I'm still studying. So I'm in abroad and living in Singapore. So thanks for letting me to join the club and hoping to help the upcoming projects. So thank you all again.
So do we have any more, or is it only 2 prospects? 2 prospects, Nick?
Yes, 2.
Yes, and both are joining Colombo Fort.
Yes.
Golf 4.
Sorry,
Golf 4.
Golf Fort. You have to excuse me, I just finished a meeting with Colombo 4 and came here.
You're still in that heat.
Right now, I am moving forward from there. Okay. There's like a very big hell that I have to read, but I'm going to bring it out. First and foremost, thank you to the president, both presidents who are jointly chairing the meeting tonight, and very especially to the president of Lions Club of Golf Fort for giving me the opportunity to welcome 2 new members to your family, and I am delighted that they are both in the younger age group, which makes me also old, but still, and bringing to us to understand how global our connections are now, because both of them are based overseas, but they will be a part of what we do and what your club does as well. So dear Methma and Ashan, on behalf of the officers and members of the Lions Club of Golf Fort, I wish to express our sincere pleasure at your presence at this meeting. You have been invited. Invitation is very important because membership in a Lions Club is by invitation. You can't apply and join. You've been invited to become members, and we're all extremely proud that you have accepted this invitation for membership in Lions Club International. Membership in a Lions Club is a privilege. You're about to join the world's largest and most active service organization, a group of approximately 1.4 million service-minded men and women, over 50,000 clubs in more than 200 countries and geographical areas across the globe who are dedicated to making a difference. And here I will add, they make a difference in their own style and their own way. You would have been given a briefing, but this pledge also will take you through some of the background of Lionsum. Invitation to this worldwide fellowship is an honor, which is greater since you did not seek it. Your sponsor presented your name, the membership committee recommended you, and the board of directors of the club you are joining approved your membership. All of us here believe that you will be a good lion and that through your membership, you will help your club reach out to people in need in the community and throughout the world, which will be mutually beneficial to you, your club, the district, and Lions Clubs International. At your orientations, you have been informed about the ethics and objects of Lions Clubs International and work with the Lions who are engaged in it. And I will also urge you to look into the website. And I'm sure you will be very tech savvy because all the latest updates of the programs, processes, and new innovations of Lions Clubs International is also available there. I must impress upon you that privilege of Lions membership also entails definite obligations. Lions Club International is not a fraternal, social, or political organization. It is a group of persons banded together to do things which you and I cannot do as individuals. It's a medium through which people of goodwill can serve their fellow beings. And we hope that you will give freely of your time and participate in activities and or support the way you can, the way it is right now. Having gone through your orientation and also understanding that you will be called upon for leadership opportunities in the future with your club and within your district, and continue to volunteer to serve those who are in need, I would like to ask you to raise your right hand and read out the pledge of membership that will formally bring you into the Lions family. So raise your right hand. I say your name.
I, Ashan Kalpahana,
Mithma, you can repeat your name.
Ahmed Maimudane.
In the presence
in the present
of the president and members
of
the president of
and
members
of the Lions Club of Colombo Fort, of the Lions Club of Galle Fort,
of the Lions Club of
Galle Fort, do hereby
do hereby
accept membership
accept membership
in the Lions Club of Galle Fort,
the
in the
Lions
Lions
Club
Club
of
of
Galle Fort,
Fort,
knowing that such membership
knowing that such membership
encourages me
encourages me
to participate in meetings
to participate in meetings
and functions of the club
and
and
functions
function of the club
to the best of my ability.
to the
to
best
best of my ability,
And I will abide
and I will abide
by the Lions' objectives
by the Lions objectives
and code of ethics
and code of ethics
and contribute my share
and contribute my share
to the programs of my club,
to the
program
programs
of
of
my
my
club,
club,
district, and Lions Clubs International.
district and Lions Club
Lions Club
International.
Okay, you can put your hands down. You are now officially inducted as members of the Lions Club of Galle Fort. And at some point, you would be given your lapel pin that will identify you as a member of the Lions family. Mithma, Lion Mithma, and Lion Ashan, please wear your emblem with pride, because it represents your membership in the world's largest service organization. Sometimes, most often, many of us forget what an impact we make individually as Lions, as clubs, as districts, and as a worldwide community. And you will be recognized wherever you go when you have that Lions badge pinned onto you. You will also get your membership kit and your official membership certificate, and you will get information that will help you with your membership as well. We are extremely proud and happy that you are now a member of the Lions Club of Golf Fort. And now I will invite everyone who is on this Zoom call to clap really loudly and welcome you to the family. May I now speak to the sponsors? I am assuming that Lion Daminda is one because the name. Who's the other sponsor? Or are you sponsoring both?
President Lion Jiva, you're there?
Jiva's son, yeah.
Okay. So Lion Jiva son is Ashan and okay. And Metta. So Lion Jiva and Lion Daminda. You have both sponsored a member each to join the Lions Club of Golf Fort, and your responsibility does not end here. Basically, your responsibility starts here, because anyone who invites somebody to become a member of the Lions family, to become a member of the Lions family and to become a member of your club is responsible to see that you are properly oriented, that you are involved in all the projects and programs, and that you enjoy their membership as Lions. And as Metma said, it is a new adventure. Believe me, Metma, it is definitely an adventure. And I now invite Jiva and Lion Daminda to take on the sponsors pledge. Please raise your hand and repeat after me. I. And say your name.
Lion Daminda Ibulrenia.
Okay. Having sponsored a new Lion.
Having sponsored a new Lion.
As a member of the Lions Club of Golf Fort.
As a member of the Lions Club of Golf Fort.
Do hereby pledge myself.
Do hereby pledge myself.
To see that.
To see that
the new members. Are properly indoctrinated.
Are properly
indicated
in the activities and functions of the club.
In the activities and the functions of the club.
I further pledge myself.
I further pledge myself.
To the best of my ability. To see that the new member. Attends club meetings and functions. And becomes a good Lion.
Becomes a good Lion.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Presidents, for giving me this opportunity, and welcome to the family, Lion Ashan and Lion Metma. Okay,
Thank
President,
you.
my job is now done.
Thank you, Governor. And once again, I warmly welcome Metman Ashan to the Lions Club of Golf Fort, on behalf of all our club members. And I would like to welcome actually Dr. Lion Upule Watta and Lion Udula Patirana and Wilson Patirana to the forum as well. And next in the agenda is the introduction of our guest of honor, Lion Kirti Gunawardena MJF. I would like Lion Rajani to do the introduction.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Thank you, Lion President, for inviting me to introduce our guest of honor, Second Vice District Governor, Lion Kirti Sirimewan Gunawardena, at this meeting. Lion Kirti Gunawardena was born at Nuwara and is an old boy of Kingswood College, Kandy. He studied at Wellimada Central College and St. Thomas College, Gurutalawa as well. Academic career. He has obtained BA Honours in Economics Special Degree from the University of Sri Jayawardhanapura. He obtained a higher diploma in Higher Media Engineering and a higher diploma in Multimedia Technology from the University of Colombo. He is a recipient of postgraduate diploma in Business and Financial Administration from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Sri Lanka. He provides his expertise by holding various high positions in a good number of professional associations, bringing a lot of recognition to his mother club and to the district as well. Organizations that he serves: Chairman, Advisory Committee of Export Development Board, Printing and Packaging, Chairman, SLFPMA, Senior Vice President, Federation of Chambers of Commerce and Industries of Sri Lanka, Vice President, Sri Lanka Printing Cooperative Society, Managing Director, Print Corp Private Limited, Executive Council Member, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SARC, Board Member and Director, SLAA SMB, Founder Board Member, Confederation of Micro, Small and Medium Industries, Governing Council Member, SLST, Founder Member, Institute of Certified Professional Management. Lions Stick Career. Lion Kirti joined the Lions Club of Galkissa in 1990 and served in many positions. He became the president in 2001-2002 and steered the club to greater heights through effective leadership. Serving under various leaders, step by step, he has climbed the ladder of Lionism over the years. He is backed by years of experience, serving as a zone chairperson, district chairperson, district coordinator, cabinet treasurer, and twice as the cabinet secretary. He continuously served as a district chairperson IT and the administrator of district website for 19 consecutive years and served as LCIF district coordinator and DG's chief coordinator information technology. He served as district cabinet treasurer in 2013-2014 and as the district cabinet secretary in 2015-2016 and in 2016-2017. International level. He was a committee member of the Main Isami Organizing Committee in 2007 and 2016. Leadership training. He is a graduate of RLLI and Mahendra Amarasuriya Leadership Institute. Awards received. He is appreciated by a good number of past leaders with many awards and accolades over the years. He is the proud recipient of 10 certificates of appreciation from Lions International presidents. Due to his efforts and effective services in 2015-2016, the district website was adjudged the best updated website in multiple districts, Sri Lanka. Family. His partner, Vasanthi, is an active lady lion in Lion Stick endeavors. She plays an important part in District Lion Ladies Committee for many years, chairing many district programs. She has been recognized by many past district governors. They are blessed with 3 daughters. Eldest daughter, Emma, is a graduate in business administration from Staffordshire University, UK, and graduate of CIMA. She is employed at Pan Asia Bank as the manager and married to Sarat Chandra. Second daughter, Madhushika, is an attorney at law, graduated from University of London and currently employed at Sanjeeva Jayawardena PC Association. Youngest daughter, Rukshika, is a BS Honours graduate from Staffordshire University, UK, and employed at Graphic System Private Limited. Dear Lions and Lion Ladies, I am honoured indeed to present our guest of honour, Second Vice District Governor, Lion Kirti Gunawardena, to address you. Thank you and wish you a good night.
Thank you, Lion Rajini, for the detailed introduction. I am privileged to have invited in this joint meeting Lions Club of Gold Fort and Lions Club of Gold Premium. So let me thank first Jiva, the president of the Gold Fort, and Lion Roshan, the Gold Premium Lions Club, for inviting me. So let me share my screen and just make a small presentation for you. Because I thought it will cut down a lot of time and that will be an advantage. Can you see my screen and hear me well?
Yes. Yes, Governor. We can see the screen and hear you clear.
Thanks. I just like to show you this one. This is one of the projects that we are in. This is, I thought I will share this with you all. This is a project, like I mean, benefit as Lions, as Sri Lankans, as citizens, everyone in Sri Lanka. This is called countermeasures to the plastic hotspot identification and piloting solutions in Kalani River and Mahaya. So this is the function of this project. And I will, these are UN United Nations Environment Program funded project, and the Sri Lanka government also part of it. As you aware, there is a project called Surakumuganga. I will come back to you later on that one. And IUCN is one of the international organizations. They have an office in Sri Lanka. They are also part of the project. I will just put a small video here. You will understand better the impact of the plastic and how it is handled in the previous countermeasure things in other countries.
For years, we have struggled with plastic waste flowing into our oceans from rivers. 10 rivers in the world are responsible for up to 95% of it. 8 of them are in Asia, including the Mekong and the Ganges. These rivers transport millions of tons of plastic pollution each year into the oceans. The UN Environment Programme's Countermeasure Project is using the latest technology to fight the plastic problem. Satellite data is fed into a big, clever computer, which analyzes demographic and geographical information to find leakage hotspots. On-site surveys allow us to categorize the pollution, and travel websites are used to find tourist concentrations. There's also an app for people to scout for dump sites in their own community and share findings with the project. Drones scout the landscape, taking high-resolution photos, picking up the location of plastics to be analyzed with machine learning algorithms. The Albatross is an underwater machine analyzing the flow of microplastics in the waterways. Data from nearly 1,000 locations are providing a never-before-seen view of plastic pollution in the Mekong and the Ganges. The countermeasure research tracks backwards to find where the plastic originates, allowing us to fix the problem before it begins. It's not just big cities causing the problem, it begins in smaller, unexpected places. In Vientiane, raincoats and fishing nets were a worry. In Ubon Ratchathani, Thailand, heavy storms flush out waste plastics into the Mekong when not well managed. In Chiang Rai, the flower festival saw carelessly discarded pots pollute the riverbanks. And in Vietnam, where the Mekong meets the sea, the polypropylene pollutants filled the waterways. Tourist hotspots like the Taj Mahal in Agra need better waste management, and communities like slums are more vulnerable. Ports and piers for tourism, transport, and cargo are also a concern. Together, with the knowledge mapped out, we can support governments, guide communities, and take action to beat plastic pollution.
So this is a small video of what this countermeasures project one has done in Mekong River and Ganges. So the you would have seen there, they have used new technology to identify hotspots and things like that. You found in that one. Sometimes, even though we think, the pollution is taking place in, different places, sometimes you suspect different places, but in a smaller place, it can have more pollution than generally you expect to happen. Now, when you say take Sri Lanka, generally in Sri Lanka context, when you take, there is so much of plastic usage in Sri Lanka. If you take the current situation in Sri Lanka, which is not very good, and we have polluted enough and more with plastics all over. And even in the future predictions also, Sri Lanka is not in a good situation unless if we don't do something right now. Now, Now, these are the issues that we face with plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is not only about just throwing a bottle away or something like that. The fishing nets to various kinds of things in the sea, which can destroy the sea life. And finally, now today, many people think, but of course there are no scientific research or proven records, that this kind of thing can really affect the people. But of course, we catch fish from the sea and we eat them. So if they are contaminated with various chemicals or something like that, so then eventually you're also getting into the body. Now, in the recent past, we have found many cancer deaths as well as skin problems. They suspect this can be part of this. Now, if you take plastic, plastic has a rare quality. Plastic can go in the seas and the rivers, and when it change the climatic conditions, sometimes it comes to a hot weather place or something like that, it can create a lot of chemicals. So this is very bad for general human health as well as the fish and the sea life as well. So this pilot project is doing various things, collecting plastic in the rivers and take them out and not letting the plastic go to the sea. So since these two clubs, one is English speaking, one is Sinhala speaking, so let me speak rest of the things in Sinhalese. ඉතින් මෙතෙන්දිත් ඇත්තටම කියනවා නම් එක පැත්තකින් ගත්තාම මේ අපිට පුළුවන් මේ සඳහා ආධාර උපකාර කරන්න ඒ වගේම ව්‍යාපාර පැත්තෙන් ගත්තොත් දැන් අද ලොකුම දෙයක් තමයි මේ ප්ලාස්ටික් කොච්චර එකතු කරත් එකකින් වැඩක් වෙන්නේ මේක රීසයිකල් කරන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් රීසයිකල් කරන්න කැමති කට්ටිය නැත්නම් මම හිතනවා මේ ඔබලාගේ ප්‍රදේශවලත් නැත්නම් අපේ සිංහේනුත් ඉන්නවා නම් මේ සඳහා කැමැත්තක් දක්වන මාව කන්ටැක්ට් කරන මේ සමහරක් වෙලාවට අපිට මේ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එක කරා ඕන්ට අවශ්‍ය තාක්ෂණික දැනුම සහ නොඑක් දැනුම් සම්භාරයක් ලබා දීමේ අවස්ථාවක් තියෙනවා. දැන් මේ කවුන්ටර්මෙෂර්ස් 2 එකෙන් අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන ඇත්තටම මේක මේ Sri Lanka government also supporting this project. මේ සුරකමු ගංගා කියන ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකේ ව්‍යාපෘතියේ කැලලක් විදියට මේකෙන් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ ඇත්තටම countermeasures 2 in Sri Lanka is plastic hotspot identification and piloting solutions to manage plastic pollution. මේකෙන් පළමුවෙන් කරන්න යන්නේ අපි මේ කැලණි ගඟේ සහ මා ඔයේ කොටසක් තෝරගෙන ඒ කොටස තුල ප්‍රාථමික අධ්‍යාපන නැත්නම් කියන්නේ පයිලට් ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකක් කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. මේ ඒකේ රූප සටහනක් තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. මෙන්න මේ කොටස් දෙක තමයි මූලික වශයෙන් අපි කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන ව්‍යාපෘතිය. මේ මාර්ගයෙන් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා transfer of technologies to survey plastic pollution in rivers as well as hotspots. ඒ කියන්නේ වෙනින් ජාත්‍යන්තර සංවිධාන නැත්නම් කලින් ඔය countermeasures project වලදී ගත්ත දැනුම ලබාගත් දැනුම ඕන් මෙහාටත් ලබා දෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒක නිසා අපිට මේවා identify කරගන්න කොහොමද මේවා වෙන්නේ කියලා හොඳ දැනීමක් ලබා ගැනීමේ අවස්ථාවක් ඒ තුල තියෙනවා. ඊට අමතරව develop outreach material on plastic pollution, importance of recycling and public participation. මේක නිසා තමයි මම හිතුවේ මේක මේ විදිහ අවස්ථාවක මේ යම් දැනුමක් ලබා දීම හොඳයි කියලා සිංහයන්ට. දැන් අපි හැම දෙයක්ම කරන්නේ සමහරක් වෙලාවට දැන් මට මතකයි අපි එක්තරා අවස්ථාවක මේ සම්බන්ධ වෛද්‍යවරයෙක් ගෙනල්ලා වෙබිනා එකක් කරපු වෙලාවේ ඔහු කිව්වා අපි වැඩියම සිංහයන් කරන්නේ ගිහිල්ලා ඉවරලා ඇස් කණ්ණාඩි දෙනවා නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලන් පුරුදු කරන්නේ මේ ඇස් වල ආරක්ෂා වෙන්න නැත්නම් ඒ සඳහා කලින් ගත යුතු ක්‍රියාමාර්ග මොනවද කියලා දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් ඒ වගේ දෙයක් තමයි මෙතනත් මට කියන්න තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් මේ සඳහා භාවිතා වෙනවා ඉහළ තාක්ෂණය ඒ කියන්නේ ඔය ජපානයේ පිරිකා වගේ ආයතන ගත්ත තාක්ෂණය මෙහෙත් පාවිච්චි කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. ඒ තුලින් මේ ඔවුන් හදලා තියෙනවා සමහරක් software ඒ කියන්නේ vehicle එකකින් ගිහිල්ලා පාරේ තියෙන ප්ලාස්ටික් ටික ඔක්කොම අයිඩෙන්ටිෆයි කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට අමතරව දැන් ඒක ඩිවලොප් වෙලා තියෙන තව ස්ටේජ් එකකට ඒකේ බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එක පවා අයිඩෙන්ටිෆයි කරගන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් උදාහරණයක් විදිහට ප්ලාස්ටික් බෝතලේ කොකාකෝලා එකක් නම් කොච්චර කොකාකෝලා ප්‍රමාණයක් තියනවද ප්ලාස්ටික් තුල කියලා අයිඩෙන්ටිෆයි කරගන්න පුළුවන් තත්ත්වයට දියුණු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. මේක තමයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේ UNEP United Nations Environment Program එකෙන් ඉදිරිපත් කළ දේ plastic value chain for and production facilities මේකෙදිත් යම් දේවල් මේ විදියට ගලාගෙන ගිහිල්ලා අන්තිමටම ගඟකට වැටිලා ඒ ගඟ මුහුදට වැටුනහම මේ අන්තිමටම මේවා මුහුදේ තමයි අන්තිමටම ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඒක නිසා මේ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකෙන් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ මේ plastic leakage sources ටික හොයාගන්න, plastic accumulation ඒ barriers ඒ වතුර පාරවල් වල මේවා බ්ලොක් වෙලා තියෙන අනෙකුත් කරදර ඒවා වළක්ව ගන්න, ඊළඟට plastic application packaging සහ recycle තමයි මේකේ මූලික වශයෙන් කරන්න යන ඒ කියන්නේ බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන areas ටික. මේ සඳහා දායකත්වය දෙන කණ්ඩායම් ගත්තාම ලෝකයේ Google, National Geographic, World Bank ඔය ඔක්කොම මේකට සම්බන්ධයි. ඒක නිසා මම හිතනවා සිංහයන් විදියට අපිත් සම්බන්ධ වුණත් මේ විදිය ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකකට මේකෙන් තියෙන බෙනිෆිට් එක තමයි අපේ වටා තියෙන එන්වයරන්මන්ට් එක පිරිසිදුව තියාගන්න අපිට මේකෙන් අවස්ථාවක් ලැබෙනවා. ඒ වගේම මේ ප්ලාස්ටික් රීසයිකල් කරලා නැවතත් ප්‍රයෝජනයට ගැනීමේ අවස්ථාවක් ලැබෙනවා. අපි මේ සඳහා මේ කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන පොඩි perception survey එකක්. මම එවන්නම් මේ ක්ලබ් දෙකේම ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට්ටයි සෙක්‍රටරිටයි මේක මේල් කරලා ඒක Google link එකක් විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. සිංහල ඉංග්‍රීසි දෙකෙන්ම තියෙනවා. කරුණාකරලා ඒක පුරවන්න. එතකොට අපිට අදහසක් ගන්න හැකි ඔබලාගේ ප්ලාස්ටික් මේ පාවිච්චිය සහ ඒ පිළිබඳව යම් අවබෝධයක් සහ මේ ප්ලාස්ටික් පොලියුෂන් නැති කරන්න ගත හැකි ක්‍රියාමාර්ග මොනවද කියලා. ස්තුතියි. Thank you. Back to you, Ross.
Thank you very much actually for that enlightening speech that you gave, Governor. Next, I would like to invite Lion Sadon to do the introduction of our
Lion Avantika.
Lion Avanti, you're there?
You may unmute. Thank you, Lion Ross, for inviting me to do the presentation of the introduction of our first Vice Governor, Lion Shana Jayala, first Vice District Governor, 2021-22, Lions District 306A1. Lion Shana's journey in the Lions movement began as a member of Leo Club of Colombo Host. During her 13-year career as a Leo, she served in key positions in Leo District 306A and the Leo Multiple District 306. She was the district president of Leo District 306A in 2002-2003 and has served as secretary of Leo Multiple twice. She has been awarded as most popular council officer of District 306A, Best Council Officer in the multiple and was adjudged as Leo of Year of District 306A in 2001 and 2002. Lion Shana joined the Lions movement in 2005 as a member of Lions Club of Colombo Millennium and thereafter transferred to the Lions Club of Colombo Host. Her parents, Lion Sisira and late Lion Lady Hiranya, were active members of both the club and the district where Lion Sisira has served as Cabinet Secretary and Lion Lady Hiranya has been recognized as the Lion Lady of the Year. Lion Shana has served the Lions Club of Colombo Host in various capacities and thereafter led the Lions Club of Colombo Host as president in 2017 and 2018 and 2018 and 2019. She initiated efforts to boost membership and organize projects that had not been conducted thus far by Lions, especially to create awareness on harassment and violence against women. The social awareness program on cyber exploitation and violence titled Stop Shaming was possibly the first time a Lions Club addressed a social issue of this nature. She produced and edited the Lions Club's award-winning newsletter, Den Chatter, under the pen name Little Miss Chatterbox. During her presidency, the Lions Club of Colombo Host was adjudged the most outstanding Lions Club of District 306A1 for the first time in its 60-year history. In her 2 years of presidency, the Lions Club of Colombo Host won many club and project awards for service excellence, membership growth, and PR. LCI recognized the Lions Club of Colombo Host with the Club Excellence Award in both years. Lion Shana has served in the district cabinet as district chairman Leos, zone chairpersons, district coordinator, awareness on cyber exploitation, district chairperson, New Voices, and cabinet secretary. She was elected as first vice district governor at the 16th district convention of Lions District 306A1. In recognition of her work over years, FCDG Lion Shana has been awarded as follows. First runner-up, most outstanding club president 2017 and 2018. Zone Chairperson Excellence Award 2018-2019. Lion of the Year, District 306A1 2018-2019. Lady Lion of the Year, Lions Multiple District 306 Sri Lanka 2019-2020. International President's Appreciation Certificate. International President's Leadership Medal 2019-2020. International President's Medal for being selected as the New Voices Global Winner, Marketing, 2018 and 2019. Lion Shana had her primary and secondary introduction at Ladies College Colombo 7. A marketer by profession, she is currently the head of marketing of an Australian-based business consultancy company. That's all. Thank you. Good night. Lion Ross, over to you.
Lion Ross,
Lion Ross,
Yes.
over to you.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Lanavati. Now I would like to welcome Lion Shana to address us.
Okay. Thank you, Lion Ross. Presidents and members of the Lions Club of Golf Fort and the Lions Club of Golf Premium Golden Jubilee. Guest of honor here, Second Vice District Governor Lion Kirti, and all cabinet officers and members of these two prestigious Lions Clubs. First of all, thank you very much for inviting me to visit your clubs as the chief guest today in my capacity of First Vice District Governor. And I must say it's delightful as always to visit any of the golf clubs, because you always end up meeting the neighboring clubs as well, because I see golf here, I see Unawatuna here. So, you know, it's always a good family feeling that we have. After Kirti spoke about what we could do as Lions in form of service by looking at different ways of serving, because I firmly believe that what got us to this position is not going to take us to the next position that we want to be in. For example, the service that we have done so far will now have to change a bit for us to be able to serve as we move forward in the new world. In my company, one of my bosses has a saying that says, what got you here is not going to get you there. That means මෙතන කාල අපි කරපු දේවල් මෙතනට අපිව ගෙනාවා. හැබැයි අපිට ඉදිරියට යන්න චුට්ටක් වෙනස් විදියකටත් වැඩ කරන්න අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. My primary focus actually as first vice district governor, as is the focus of the governors and most of us, is of course membership. And it's not just membership for numbers, but it's membership in terms of people we can bring into our clubs as sustainable growth for us to be able to serve, because very frankly, we need more hands to serve. And today I'm delighted to have 2 young members who are joining one of the Lions clubs. And the way you network in Gaul, I'm sure they'll be working with all the other clubs as well. At a recent program conducted by my Lions Club, it was a program we did with CIM, and something very interesting was spoken of. We often say apita members la gana amarui, members la avat egno inne ne inna kattiyat participate karanne. Some of us, even us, during certain times, due to personal or professional reasons, have not been able to be actively participating, but we stayed on. So the main thing for us to understand first is, why did we stay on? Why did we stay on? What was the reason we joined the club? What did we enjoy? And what made us want to, participate at a project or a meeting? We did that, all of us here, because there was some value we got. For me, the biggest value in addition to service is the fact that I get to meet different people. I'm very open about that. It's meeting different people in different parts of the country and working with them. So when we look at it in that way, when we invite members to join us, and I'm especially speaking about this here because we have a new generation of Lions who are joining us. What is the value each of us gives, or our club gives, for them to spend their time with us? As we know, there's always a generation gap, and with every generation, there's a new thinking that comes in. People still need to be served because they're still going to bed hungry, there's still pollution, there's still childhood cancer, there's still diabetes, there's still exploitation and violence, all of that is there. But how we go about it may change. For example, if I take my club as an example, how my parents' generation did work is a bit different from how our generation does it, and definitely different from how the younger generation of Lions who are joining now sees. But what we have to always remember is these young Lions will be our future, and we need them to stay. And we have to ensure that at least for the first 5 years, they're looked after to stay on with us. And it brings me to this point that I learned at the CIM forum. People invest their time and their resources for a few reasons. For example, if we go to a business and ask for a sponsorship of our project, how we present our proposal depends, and the outcome depends on that. For example, අපි නිකන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කිව්වොත් අනේ යහෝ අපිට මේ වගේ දෙයක් කරන්න තියෙනවා ඔක්කොම නැස්පැත්තියක් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ අපිට සල්ලි නැහැ මෙහෙම කරන්න කියලා ගියොත් හා කියලා රුපියල් 10000ක් විතර බැන එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි අපේ ප්‍රොපෝසල් එකේ පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන් නම් මේ පාර්ට්නර්ෂිප් එකේ මේ ආයතනයට මෙච්චරක් commercial value එකක් හම්බ වෙනවා කියලා. මෙහෙම තමයි ඒ commercial value එක හම්බ වෙන්නේ. It can be qualitative, it can be quantitative, but if you list it out, they will see the value they get for the money they invest. That is when they will invest the big money. that is where they will invest the big money to do our projects. Because any company CSR is corporate social responsibility. Corporate can commercial value ka තියෙන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් උපල් දාලා නිකන් ඉන්නවා. But if we want to get the big money to push our big programs, then we can say this is the value. For example, Lions Club of Galkissa, Lions Club of Walukkama Bentota together launched are working with the Indira Cancer Trust. A project in Karane. They're giving human hair wigs to women who are fighting cancer. Hemas has come on board as one of the partners. And with Hemas, there's a care pack that's given to identify patients. There are 10 hospitals selected for the first round, though there are 23 hospitals that are identified. And Hemas sponsors the care pack and works on that. On behalf from the two Lions clubs, they are basically set up the wig making area. And we are trying to get involved to make sure that we can get sponsors to buy wigs to give it to these women who are undergoing cancer treatment. Now, Hemas උතන්ට එන්නේ අපිට ආදරයටවත් cancer වලට ආදරයටවත් නෙමෙයි. හරි චුට්ටක් හරි තියෙනවා. Definitely it is there. But in that care pack, they have the Komarika brand. They have this is what we are doing. It all goes there. That care pack is given. They had a launch with, you know, from the managing director of the company to people who have never been in, who are not Lions, to the media, and whatever said and done, there is collaboration that happens. So there's a value for them. Their brand Komarika gets associated with this program, which is being pushed by two clubs which are part of an international organization, plus another very strong group here, the Indira Cancer Trust, which is also backed by very powerful and active people. So obviously they will invest more than $1 million, to make sure this project goes ahead. Now, if we do ane aho katawa to them, we would have got 15,000, or they would have, you know, given us 10 wigs and finished it. So what I'm trying to say is, අපි Lions ලා හැටියට දැන් හිතන්න ඕනේ හැමදාම හරි මම නම් හැමතිස්සෙම හිතන්නේ පොඩි විදියට කරන්න ඕනේ. හැබැයි once in a while ඔය ලොකු දෙයක් කරන්නත් ඕනේ. ඒ ලොකු දෙයක් කරන්න අපිට තනියෙන් කරන්න බෑ. We have to get the involvement of the corporate sector. If we want the involvement of the corporate sector, we have to show them the value. Because then only we will get the funding to do our big projects. The second thing is value for minutes. That ek අදාළ වෙන්නේ අපේ membership එකට. අපේ member කෙනෙක් අපේ meeting එකට නැත්නම් අපේ project එකට ඇවිල්ලා ඒ කාලය වැය කරලා එතන හිටියට මොකද්ද තියෙන value එක? I'm not saying we have to pay them anything, that is we are all volunteers, but why will they come? I go because I want to meet the people there. Because even if I stay at home, I can do my service projects coordinated, but I will go because I want to meet the people and get there. So that is because I enjoy meeting those people. So this is where who joins your clubs, how you conduct your club meetings, how you conduct your club projects, and what you give your members, and that can't be quantified. ඒක අපිට මේ මුදලින් අය කරන්න බෑ, definitely. There is a big unity among the clubs in the Galle area. I have seen that you know, go for each other's projects, each other's things. But now if you can call on that to help boost your membership, to get your members who are not activated, because there is a core group. අපිට හැමතිස්සෙම ඕන තැනක core group එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ group එක තමයි ඔක්කොම අර මුදුන් මුල වගේ අල්ලගෙන ඉන්නේ. හැබැයි ඒකට අපි තව එකතු කරගන්න ඕනේ. හැබැයි ඒකට එකතු කරගන්න each club has to understand මොකක්ද තියෙන value එක. අපි කවදාක්වත් අපේ club එක, අපේ movement එක undersell කරන්න හොඳ නැහැ. Yesterday, I went for a meeting conducted by it was a Rotary meeting, a Rotary Club meeting. I was invited by my friend, who's the president of that club. Their annual fees is 46,000 rupees. They meet twice a week. Their projects are like they have at least 8 projects going on at the same time. But what I realized was And at that meeting, there were about 18 members who were there. They were meeting for the first time after lockdown was over. They have a 30-member club. The value they had there was the time they spent with each other. While they were at the meeting, they were discussing their project in the Jaffna area, and they said, okay, fine, we are going for the 13th weekend, we'll go there, we'll do the tree planting, this. Then the treasurer said, order their Karanapula, first in the proposal, it has to get approved by the board. So that is there. But the interaction is what made them stay. Because all of them are also like us, they're either professionals or they run their own businesses. And in the middle of all that, they were preparing for their own chairperson's meeting. They have a thing called a governor's meeting where the governor comes and checks whether they have audited their accounts, done all the reports. They go through a full compliance checklist. And they also talk very proudly about themselves. We are very proud of our organization, but we're very quiet about it. So when we go out, and I am certainly changing the way I invite people. I no longer say, Ane, try and come, and you have to only meet once a month. You know, give them the bare minimum as to why they should join. That is not what it has to be. We have some very strong clubs here, very strong members here. And I think we're only going to get stronger with the new club we are going to extend. And we need that strength to go forward because it is building our membership and becoming stronger in membership is not a one-off thing. As you know, the governor very openly says, I'm not building things for my ear only. I say I'm not building things for my ear only, nor does Governor Keith say that. The three of us are working together, and that is very, very apparent to anybody who sees us. So and even Shankar said, after the orientation we did for Leos, he said, they may not join this year. They may join 2 years later, but we will do these things so that it will happen. But as you know, a governor only or a vice governor only or the GMT coordinator only cannot do it alone. Every member. So if half of our members invite one person in a year, just one person, can you imagine the growth we have? And if all of us who are leaders make sure that the members who we have get involved and don't leave, it gets so much better. So I speak more on membership, obviously, because it is something very important to us. However, more than that, let us be proud to talk openly about how good we are as Lions, as an organization. Don't undersell us ever. I will no longer tell anyone I invite to join the movement. You have to only come from our meeting and stuff like that. I said, these are your commitments that are there. Yes, everybody goes through time. There are times when I couldn't attend all the time because of personal and professional reasons. We go through that. But say, this is what we do. This is why we are doing it. These are the things that we've done. And this is what we have done. When they see what we have done, and we have done a lot. So we are very soon going to have a brand new club from this area, from this region. It's going to be it will be a start of a few more really strong clubs from the area, and we need those. But it's not going to be a club me other hitata ekawurudda karane me අපි බලන්න ඕනේ කොහොම හරි අවුරුදු 3ක් පන්නන්න ඕනේ ඊට පස්සේ it will stay. My club was started in 1958, way before I was born, but it went through a cycle. But හිටපු කට්ටිය somehow maintained the standards, saw who came in and made sure the club goes forward. ඕක තමයි කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. So thank you very much for inviting me today. I hope that I was able to encourage you to see our movement in a different light and what we do. Because movement එක කියන්නේ banner එකවත් ඔය district මේ මායිම්වත් ඔය ගොංගෙන් ගවල් එකක්වත් නෙමෙයි. It's all the Lions who are in the district. Club එකක් කියන්නේ ඔය banner ඔය ඔකුත් මේ club එකේ members තමයි ඔය ඔක ගෙනියගෙන යන්නේ. So at the end of the day, how much of intelligence or artificial intelligence is brought in is the human factor that will make a difference. And definitely the Lions of the Gaul area, specifically these two clubs, the Lions Club of Gaul Fort and Gaul Premium Golden Jubilee, have that. And I'm also looking forward to the day that at least 1, 2, or 3 of you come forward as leaders as well. I was told that maybe in the future we will look at that. I'm like, okay, fine. It's like this. There is a saying that says, if we don't come forward and do it, then who's going to do it? And the change will start with us. It won't be a one-off thing. If somebody comes and says, මට කියලා තියෙනවා අපි දැන් ඉන්නවා ඔයාගේ අවුරුදු වෙනකන් කොහොමද වෙනසක් වෙන්නේ මම කොහොම වෙන්න බෑනේ වෙනසක් වෙනවා නම් දැන් ඉඳන්ම කරගෙන යන්න ඕනේ ඔය වෙනස් වෙන්නේ දැන් මෙතන ඉන්න කට්ටියම තමයි ඉතින් එන අවුරුදු වෙනකන් ඉන්න බෑනේ වෙනස් වෙන්න so take this message, be proud of who we are. I am proud of who we are. That's why I have taken on this office, which is more stressful, and I have more gray hairs now. But be proud of who we are and never undersell our movement. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Governor. Next, there's a presentation that will be organized. Can we move on to the presentation?
Mute Karla. Imbul mute.
Sorry, Ryan Ross, the presentation we'll be doing when we meet physically the next time. Two governors will definitely will present you all your gifts when the next time we meet. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Imbul. So the last and final is the vote of thanks, and that will be done by me. So I would like to thank actually First Vice Governor Lion Shana Jailat and our guest of honor Lion Kirti Gunawardena MJF for joining us and encouraging us to do our projects and move on. And next, I would like to thank the president of Gaul Fort, Lion Jiva, and the president of Gaul Premium, Lion Roshan, and all the cabinet officers and visiting lions and Leos. And I would like to thank actually our 2 new members as well for joining in. And I'm sorry if I missed anyone, but I think I have thanked everyone. And I would like to call upon Lion Roshan to terminate the meeting.
Thank you, Lion. I terminate the October club meeting, which together with the first and second vice governors official visits of Lions Club of Gaul Fort and Lions Club of Gaul Premier. Thank you.
Thank you. දැන් උතන ගෝල් වල හිටියා නම් වෙනස් නේ දැන් අපි ළඟදී දෙන්න
Powerful meeting then. Thank you, Governor Kirti, for staying for long.
You're welcome.
Thank you very
I'm
much.
sorry for my 10 minutes late. I was just finishing Colombo 4 and I had to.
You know, there are a lot of meetings today, ne? Webinars තියෙනවා.
Oh, the Zoom ne ඉතින් අර පැත්තට මේ පැත්තට දාගෙන යනවා. Okay,
Excuse me, Governor Shana, are we meet on 13th? The
13th, I am supposed to come, but I might have a vice governor's training. If that is not happening, I had said I was coming. I have contributed to that. So that project is something I really want to support.
Thank you very much. We'll do a good project on 13th.
Yeah, that type of project really is after my heart. So.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Governor, and Lion Ravi, Lion Upali, both Upali, and Lion Tilakumara.
Yes, Governor Shana, good evening, right? Welcome to Gaul.
Thank you. ඒකස තිලකුරුමාරත් එතුළට ආව කොහෙන් හරි.
He's also from Gaul, ඒකයි.
ඒකනේ.
Thank you, Davinder.
Thank you, Kirti.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
Welcome.
Good night.
Thank you.
I had to rush.
Thank you, Mr. Uncle.
Thank you. Roshan, you are doing well.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, both President, Lion Jivan, Lion Roshan. Thanks, both governors. Thank you. Good night.
Okay, good night.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you, new lions, Lion Metma and Lion Ashan.
අනේ මෙත්ම දැක්කනේ.
Well done, Lion Jiva and Lion Roshan.
මෙත්ම හරි සතුටුයි දැක්කට.
Lion Metma, congratulations. And Lion Ashan, congratulations.
Congratulations both.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Hi. පුතේ.
Welcome on board.
Thank you for the warm welcome.
මෙත්ම.
Yes, Atawa. Hello.
පුතා. අනේ හරි සතුටුයි දැක්කට.
Follow the auntie.
ඒකනේ.
Edma Ashan, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ashan, nangi ate karangena dibune.
Ah?
Nangi ate karangena dibako nangi.
nangi පෙන්නන්න මූණ අඩ
Enna again.
එන්න කියන චුට්ටක් පෙන්නන්න
Come on, Nangi.
නාගි හායි ඔය ඉක්මනට එන්න නාගි
කීර්ති දෙන්නම සිංගප්පූර් වල එකට ඉන්නේ ස්ටඩිස් කරනවා දෙන්නම.
ඔය නාගි ඉක්මනට එන්න හායි
හායි. දෙන්න එකට උයාගෙන කාලා ඉන්නවා ජොලි. මම දාත්තේ මේ උයාගෙන කාලා ඉන්නවා.
මේ උයාගෙන කාලා
අයියා ඔයලා දෙන නංගි කාලා ඉන්නවනේ.
ඒක තමයි.
All right.
Okay, then we'll close the meeting, ne?
Thank you, Governor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Governor.
Bye.
Good night, Lion Kirti. Good night, Lion Chana.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, Governor.
Good night. Good night.
Thank you, Aduna auntie, uncle. Dennatama thanks.
welcome.
thank you
Good night, Lion Chaminda. Chaminda, good night.
Good night.
Lion Ravi, good night.
Good night, Lion Upali.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Lion Samanna Soka.
Sincere,
Lion Upali, Kotagada, good night.
චමින්ද අපි දැක්කේ නෑනේ.
Huh?
චමින්ද දැක්කේ නෑනේ.
Chaminda.